Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn how to draw a snail. So firstly we'll go for the eyes, then a body, then shell part. Now we'll color it. This is the final look of our snail. Here we will draw bug with the help of two circles, that is eyes, then the wings, then the back body. Now we will color it with the red, blue and orange color. Here we will learn how to draw a honey bee. We will take a black bold marker, then we'll do the oval circles, the designs, hands, wings. Now we will do the coloring part. This is the final look. In the next video, we will learn how to draw a peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful animal and bird as well. So here it is the easy steps that you can follow. And now we are coloring with the blue, yellow, orange and green color. Here in this video, we will learn how to draw two bunnies. One big bunny which is holding a taco and one another small bunny. Then the land part, and now we will color it. You can also color with your favorite colors or you can follow these steps. Here in this video, we will learn how to draw a kangaroo. You know what is the fun fact about kangaroo? That they cannot jump backwards. Yes, so here is the final look of our kangaroo. In this video, we will learn how to draw a hanging baby monkey where the monkey is hanging, that is on a tree. So here we are going to color it with a beautiful smile and we'll go for the yellow, orange and finally the color of a tree, that is brown. In this video, we will learn how to draw an ant with the help of two circles, the face and some ovals and 6 legs. Now we'll color it with yellow, brown and green land. In this video, we will learn how to draw a cute cartoon character which is hanging on a chopstick. Yes, it is very easy to draw it and this is the final look. Here we'll draw a jellyfish. You know, we have to draw it with the semicircle and these are the normal steps. You can color with the multiple colors and here is the final look of it. In this video, we will learn how to draw a pig which is lying on a floor. Here you can take it a bold sketch pen and color it with your favorite colors. In this video, we will learn a kitten with black and white color. Here, you don't need any colors. You need only two colors, that is black marker and a white sheet. Here are the colors which if you want, you can do it. In this video, we will learn how to draw a macaw. Macaw is a special breed of a parrot and it's a very easy to draw it. Here, we are coloring with the red, yellow and you can color it with your favorite colors, that is green, blue or anything. In this video, we will learn how to draw a dancing mouse or a dancing mice. It's very easy, so we can go for the coloring part or you can follow it like this. In this video, we will learn how to draw a fox. So here, fox having a dark red and brown and orange with a thick tail. Here our fox is ready.